Yeah, without a doubt, this is definitely gonna have to be the biggest unboxing we've ever had on this channel, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sneaker boxes to unbox today. 10 sneaker boxes, all from GoDaddy. It's gonna be a crazy video, man, because there's over $5,000 of shoes in here, and only like the most hype releases we're gonna be showing you guys today. May was a crazy month, June is a crazy month for sneakers. We've got like almost every single hype sneaker in here, so it's gonna be crazy. Anyway, stay tuned, that is all coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mail time unboxing. A very special mail time actually, because we are unboxing all of these shoes from the trending tab of GoDaddy. Huge shout out to GoDaddy for sponsoring this video. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be talking about all of the hype sneaker releases that just came out. Because May and June were so crazy with sneakers, the trending tab was popping off with like the most insane releases. We had Sacai Waffles, Air Fogs, Jordan 1s, Yeezys. It was ridiculous. So we're gonna be showing you guys a bunch of those shoes today. It's gonna be super dope. You guys can find the trending tab on the GoDaddy. If you guys don't have the GoDaddy, I highly recommend you guys check it out. Linked in the description below. So once you guys have the GoDaddy downloaded, you guys are gonna scroll to the bottom. You guys are gonna see the trending tab, which is basically like the most sold sneakers on GoDaddy right now. The sneakers that are on there are gonna be like the ones that are just released, because that's when people are like most hyped about it. So they're gonna be buying a lot, they're gonna be selling a lot. And so you guys will see more of the new releases rather than like old retro releases. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, guys. But let's just start getting to the boxings, because this is gonna take forever. 10 sneakers, $5,000 in shoes. Let's check it out. Okay, so starting off with this monster tower that I have, I feel like it's gonna come crashing down any minute now. We will pull up this top box right here. And we are starting off good because we have a Jordan 1 box. GOAT, they come with cool stickers now, I guess, so that's dope. Also, the GOAT verification process is like updated, so it has like this whole list of quality control and authentication, so you guys know your shoe is legit, which is why I buy from GoDaddy. I don't want to buy fakes. And finally, your boy has a pair of the Jordan 1 LA to Chicago's. I'm sure you guys have seen this a lot, but this is a very clean sneaker, because not only does it start off with like these Laker vibes, but when you guys rub off of all of this paint and stuff, it does turn into like a red hue, which you guys can see kind of like outlined here. And that is like the Chicago look. So very cool sneaker, very unique color blocking, and it's a Jordan 1 SB collab. So you guys know I rock with Jordans, I rock with SBs. So very cool first shoe. And rather than just unbox shoes like I see some channels doing, I always like to give a little bit of like information for you guys on why I do stuff like this. Like, it's not just to collect sneakers for me. A lot of the time I see these things as investments, and are these values gonna go up over time? So the trending tab can kind of give you a lot of insight into that, because when you look at this trending tab, it's showing you guys, okay, this is like the most sold sneakers right now. And then if you see that shoe on the trending tab for kind of a long time, then you know that shoe has value for an extended period of time, and it will probably continue to rise in values. So when we start unboxing more of these, you guys will see more examples. A lot of these are going to be for my personal collection, but there are also going to be a lot of these that could potentially be like resale, like Targets down the line. So this next one, there's gonna be a lot of empty boxes in here. So probably the hottest shoe, like the most hyped shoe on the trending list, is the Jordan 1 Travis Scott's. You guys have seen me unbox this on the channel quite a few times now, but we can never get enough of the Travis Scott's, right? Jordan 1 TS1 Travis Scott's. This one is kind of interesting. The leather is super tumbled over here, a lot different than my other pair. If you guys do not have a pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scott's, you guys need to get them now. I just looked on GOAT recently, and these prices are starting to steadily climb up. Yeah, if you need a pair, I would get them now. If you guys can't afford like these dead stock prices as well, I've done videos in the past like showcasing the GOAT used section and how you can save a lot of money on that. So that's another tip for you guys as well. Okay, big box time. Dude, I'm gonna be drowning in like empty cardboard boxes soon. Ooh, man, I am pumped over this, dude. Yeah, okay. So another shoe from the trending list of GoDaddy. This is the Air Fog Spruce Greens. Spruce Green, otherwise known as like the Baja Blast Air Fog. This thing is crazy, dude. It is like way more vibrant in person, like when I actually look at it, because in pictures and stuff, it would look darker, but this is a lot more light when you see it in hand. And I was a big hater against the Air Fog line, but recently, man, I've come around. It's a very cool sneaker. I don't know if this colorway itself is very good. You guys might see a couple other colorways coming up. Let's go check out some more shoes though. And something that I did want to mention is that if you guys do cop Air Fogs and you guys have never copped them before, make sure that you guys size down. The Air Fogs run kind of big, so I got it to size 10 for this one. And I've actually been able to wear a 9.5 as well. So make sure you guys size down if you guys cop these, or else you're gonna be having like a really big shoe on your feet. And we've seen this one before, but this one is actually in my size now. Potentially sneaker of the summer and a contender for sneaker of the year, Nike Sacai Waffle. So you guys can see under here, Nike Sacai. Sacai is a Japanese like high luxury brand, and they partnered up with Nike to create a very unique shoe. Double swooshes, double tongue, double laces. It's unique, and you know, I'm still not entirely certain if I feel like these are very like high rated sneakers, but apparently according to GOAT Trending, they're doing very well. These prices actually shot up quite a bit, guys. I copped this shoe for about $400. They're going for like 500 bucks now, and I don't know what happened. It's like overnight, literally like all of the prices on Sacai's, like every single model blew up. And that's why it's important you guys keep an eye on the trending tab of like GOAT and stuff, because you guys can see the market, it's gonna continue to flux, and sometimes it fluxes in a way where it's cool when you cop early, because now they're going for even higher prices. So keep an eye on that, guys. Pay attention. I'm trying to tell you guys this as advice. You guys don't need to take it, but I highly recommend you do, because it pays off. I saved basically 100 bucks on this. I don't know if you can see the pile back there, but it is growing. Another Sacai box, but I believe this is like the different version of the Sacai's. Okay, so another one on the GOAT Trending tab list was the Sacai in the blazer format. So this is the blazer version, a lot different than the waffles, but still showcasing like the signature look. Double swooshes, double laces, and this one also has a double tongue as well. And the more I see these things on feet, man, they look pretty darn sleek. Like, these are very nice shoes. Like the blazer version, I honestly feel like is a cleaner design than the waffles, and I know you guys might throw shade at that, but that's my own personal opinion. Dude, we still are only halfway done. I gotta speed this up. Okay, and here we go. Another Air Fog for the summer 2019 season. This one is the Orange Pulse. Orange Pulse Air Fog. I mean, it is very orange, dude. I don't even know how else to describe this thing. I mean, it's a great summer sneaker, and I mean, out of all of the Air Fogs, this is probably like my least favorite one. But when you guys are trying to collect things, you want to try to get every single colorway, even if you don't agree with the colorway. So I had to cop this. Maybe it'll grow on me. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's a lot lighter, so that's kind of cool. And I really like how this air bubble over here kind of pops out of that orange. So I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me, we'll see. That pile, dude, it's getting huge. All right, so we have another Air Fog over here, and it's kind of crazy like when you think about how many Air Fogs released in such a short span of time. So this one is the Air Fog 1 Sails, and I think this is a great colorway. It's a lot lighter than the light bone colorway, which makes it like a perfect summer sneaker. So I highly recommend this one for a lot of people if you guys are interested in the Air Fog line. Just a really overall nice design and a clean aesthetic to it. Ooh, all right, I like this one a lot. This is the Green Gusto Nike Sacai Waffle. So very similar to that Varsity Blue that we saw earlier, but this one is like a lot more toned down. And I'm not sure if it's the Packer like loving me that's liking these shoes right now, but I'm really feeling this one for some reason. I think I might be sold on this one. Packers have not been doing super hot recently, so we gotta see. These should both be Yeezys now. We've seen everything Nike, everything Air Fog and stuff. So these are the Yeezy Glow in the Darks. Oh, and these things are bright, man. Yeezy Glow in the Darks, the only thing that glows, not the upper, is the bottoms. These bottoms actually, like when heated up under light, will glow in the dark. When you think of this shoe, I think it looks very close to that spruce green that we just unboxed recently. So those brighter colors tend to come out more like in the summertime, because I mean, summertime vibes, you want like lighter colors, but also like bright colors. This was pretty low on the trending tab because it's been out for a while, but the fact that it's still on the trending tab is showing you guys this is going to be one that will continue to rise in value. So keep an eye on that one. Oh, thank you, man. We got to the last box. It's like Christmas in here, man. There's so many like nice things to open, and opening up stuff is really fun. It's just I'm now dreading the cleanup because there's a lot of stuff back there. This one is the last shoe for today. It is a Yeezy Boost 350. It is a pair of the black non-reflective Yeezy 350s. This is the last shoe for today. Yeezy Black 350, and it's probably like the most recent release. Looks very similar to the breads that were released a couple years ago. These laces are reflective though, so they do have 3M material and they will like kind of pop. It is very plain though, in my opinion. Nothing too special about this, but on the trending tab that was just seen like recently, it wasn't on the old trending tab, new trending tab. This was the #1 selling sneakers. Keep an eye on that though. This one's gonna be a mover for sure. And that is it, guys. The biggest unboxing ever on this channel, biggest mail time ever. I think I am ready to go for this summer, courtesy of GOAT app, guys. Again, download it if you guys haven't already. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the greatest apps that you can ever have on your phone if you're a sneakerhead. Cop when you guys can and watch those prices move around, because if you guys are into resale or if you guys are collectors, it's important to keep an eye on the price. But now, guys, I have to go do some damage control and clean. It's gonna be hectic. This is the craziest mail time I've ever seen, man. Have you guys ever seen an unboxing of like this much shoes at one time? Ridiculous. Hopefully we do more of these in the future, but I think after all of this, my wallet needs to take a break, so we'll probably tone it down, go back to like 3 or 4 shoes a video, not 10. Double digits is crazy. That mess is nuts. I gotta go clean though, guys. So that is that for this video. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. If you guys like this video and you like seeing like these huge unboxings of crazy hype shoes, then don't forget to hit that like button as well. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.